You're riding adrenaline. If you don't watch out, you're gonna crash.
It's fine.
Won't stay that way if you keep moving around.
Okay, I'll sit after you have some water.
I'm fine.
You don't look fine. You're sweating.
So?
So, it's cold in here. And the temperature's dropping. Hey, look at me.
Why?
I said, look at me. Told you to get off those pills. You're starting to go through withdrawal.
Well, spare me the Sunday sermon. You've been shooting anabolics in your ass for the last, what, 5 years?
That's not at all.
What's it matter now?
It matters because when we get out of here...
Get out of here. Don't you get it? We're not getting out.
Search party's probably already locked onto our beacon by now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because we could be buried under 50 meters of regolith or more. The rest of our crew's probably dead anyway.
Even if they are, NASA will still come for us.
We have maybe 6 hours of breathable air. Even if they started digging right now, they'll probably never reach us in time.
Okay, stop. Just stop. PPCO2 is over 20, which means our carbon dioxide scrubbers are maxed out. It's about to get rough.
Great.
It's cold, but it's gonna get a damn sight colder. Pretty soon we're gonna have to put our suits back on.
So I could live a few more hours and die a horrible death? No thanks.
Well, then you'll die from hypothermia.
They say freezing's a good way to go. It's just like falling asleep.
You're getting into one of those suits if I had to stuff you in it myself.
Oh, with that hole in your belly. In no shape to make me do anything.
You're nothing but a goddamn quitter.
A quitter? Serious?
When I was wounded in Korea, I spent some time in a MASH unit. And I saw firsthand the people that lost hope, they were the first to die, Danny.
Yeah, maybe they lost hope because they knew they were gonna die.
They died because they gave up!
Oh, give me a break, Ed. Not teaching me how to ride a bike.
Ride a bike? What the hell are you talking about?
Shane told me all about your bike riding lessons. Told me he was terrified of you.
What?
Whenever we got in trouble, Shane used to beg Kara not to tell you. Because he knew when you'd find out, he'd get so afraid. And when you were away,
That's enough.
or on orbit, or on the moon, Shane came to life, laughing, goofing around. When you came home, he'd withdraw again because he was so scared of you.
Hey, you shut up!
What kind of man gets off on terrifying a little boy? His own son. Shit. Don't move, Ed.
Medkit. Medkit. Quick clot. Pour it in. More.